Hi guys, we're back. We did some this neumorphic view in last video, and today I'm gonna create something neumorphic again, but is instead of popping up, it's gonna cave in, just like let's see, just like this button right here. So the concept is pretty much the same. But in UIKit, when you want to make some inner shadow, it's a bit harder, but it's not that hard. I'm gonna share with you how to do it today. So I don't want to waste your time, so I create a pretty simple neumorphic inner view. I know I'm bad with naming, but I think you got what I meant. And create some boilerplate code already. So concept is we need to make two ring shadow. Like when I say ring shadow, yeah, I will kind of create two ring. I'm gonna show you what I meant, but one same thing, we'll create a light shadow and a dark shadow, and we're gonna offset it so it looks like it's caved in. So let's do it now. Okay, so we use lazy bar again. I call this dark shadow. We're using CA layer again. CA layer. Return it. We are gonna simply create some shadow. How to say that? Shadow property first, and give it a shadow color. See, we always have to do this always. Okay, see, so color is gonna be our dark shadow, and we will tweak later. Just use the CG color, and same thing, this color is from my extension here, which is the color here. I defined it already. Okay, so where will we? Okay, let's make this. Every time I make this shadow, I have to do all this again. Well, the offset, I don't know, but let's put something there first. Maybe 1, and we're gonna tweak this later. I think we do. Opacity, give it 1 first, and radius maybe 3. Okay. Okay, so after that we need to add our layer. You can add sub layer, dark shadow, and as I mentioned before, like last video, CA layer doesn't use auto layout, so you have to give it a frame. So we can give a frame inside here, but because our view is using auto layout, so it would change according to your screen size. So every time the view change, it will call this layout subview. So we have to recalculate the layer every single time. That's why we have to set everything in this layer, layout subview. So we're gonna get the frame from our bond. And so far so good, but we don't see anything. See, if I give a our layer, our shadow, a background color, it will pop up, but this is not what we're gonna do, but I'm gonna just gonna show you. So we don't want this, we just want a ring, like a path. And how we do that? Well, we gonna make a path with the same frame here and the same corner radius. See, we don't have any corner radius right here. I'm gonna put this, maybe the corner radius inside here. Well, okay, so and maybe I have to clip it. I don't know. Sometimes I forgot if I need to clip. Yeah, I think I need to clip it. Oh, no, I don't. Okay. Good job. All right. So it's not what we want, but let's make a path. So let path, we are gonna use this Bezier path, maybe it's called, and we are gonna use this one, the rounded rack with the corner radius. And you see, we have to pass in this CG rack, which I'm gonna use our bond because I want to be the same size and same corner radius. Okay, but I don't want it to be exactly the same size. I want it to be a little bit bigger, so the shadow is like, the ring is outside here, so I can offset it later. So I'm gonna insert it, inset by delta x, maybe, I don't know, -3, like so it would be bigger. And then I need a cutout path, and the cutout path is the same as the bond and same corner radius, but we want it to be like inverted, so it will cut inside there. And so we have to do the reversing, and we add this cutout to the path. Pen cutout, okay. And then we will tell our shadow to use this path here. Oops. All right. Oops. Oh no, sorry, it's gonna be CG path. Okay. You see, we have this here. Let's make this to red, and because we put this background color here, let's remove it. So you can let me resume it, and you will see we will have a red ring. Come on. Okay. Put this back to background color. So this red is coming from our background color. See, now we have the red ring right here, and if you can see, it's slightly bigger than our view, so we're gonna offset it. So we're gonna move it. I mean, this is the dart, right? So we will have the dart view here, dot shadow on this right corner. So we're gonna offset it using where I'm lost, sorry. Okay, see here, we're gonna offset this maybe -4, so it will move. Oh no, sorry, I moved it to the wrong direction. See where we offset? Yeah, I just moved to the wrong direction, so I maybe use 5 and 5. The point is, I want this shadow to be just touching our shape. Come on. I don't know why sometimes I have to do like this. See, it's barely touching it. Okay, I like it. And we're gonna cut out this shadow. Simply just use layout dot mask to bound, and we will mask out all the shadow that is like overflow. See, and we have this. Well, we're gonna tweak this, and we are going to make another one called like shadow. Same thing. Same. Oops. Okay. Like shadow. And because we know we want it to show in the other direction, so this probably is gonna be negative. And we're gonna add this here. Like shadow. And same thing, the bounce is like. And we're gonna use the same path, but offset differently. And the color is red again, so we will see this red ring again. All right, after we have this two shadows, let's change it back to our background color. And this color, I'm gonna move this back down here. No. We have to set the color inside this layout subviews, otherwise it won't work in the dark mode. I don't know why, but this is the way it is. Dark shadow and light shadow. So basically, the method how you create this all this neumorphic view is same as how you create the other shadows, but the trick is just you just have to use some light color, like shadow and dark shadow. You have to choose the color. If you choose the color correctly, then you will be able to do something like this. So after you have this, how are we going to use this view? Maybe I will show it to you next time. All right, so see you next time. Bye.